Unlock the world of cryptocurrency in the Philippines by easily depositing funds from your GCash wallet into Binance. First, let's get your GCash ready. Open your GCash app and select Send Money. You'll need to choose the option to send money to a bank. Now, select a Binance-supported bank from the list. Common choices often include banks like BPI or Union Bank. If you're unsure which bank to use, check Binance's current deposit options. Head over to your Binance app, tap on Wallet, and then select Deposit. From there, choose Fiat Deposit and select Philippine Peso (PHP) as your currency. Binance will then provide you with their bank transfer details. Make sure to correctly note down the recipient bank, account name, and account number. This is crucial for a smooth transaction. Switch back to your GCash app. In the Send Money to Bank section, carefully enter the bank details provided by Binance. Double-check the account number and name before proceeding. Then, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Confirm the transaction in GCash. You'll receive a confirmation on your GCash app once the transfer is processed. Now, go back to your Binance app. It might take a few minutes for the deposit to reflect in your account. You can check your fiat balance in your wallet once your PHP is credited. You're ready to convert it. To start trading, navigate to the Markets or Trade section. Search for a trading pair like BTC, PHP, or USDT. PHP, tap on Buy and enter the PHP amount you want to use to purchase your chosen cryptocurrency. Confirm your purchase and congratulations! You've successfully deposited with GCash and made your first crypto acquisition. Welcome to the exciting world of crypto trading.